Hi, I'm Dean Edwards and welcome to Proper Food. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how to make barbecue Mexican street corn. The first thing we're going to do is speak about our sweet corn. Now these beauties have had 10 minutes in boiling salted water just to soften them up. Now we need to glaze them with a little bit of oil. So give them a quick brush with a little bit of olive oil or butter, whatever you have to hand. Once that's done, it's time to pop them on the barbecue. Now these are going to need around 10 minutes just until they're beautiful and charred. Once the sweet corn are done, it's time to add on some sweet chili sauce. So get yourself a nice brush and just start to glaze the sweet corn. Now, just look at these beauties. This is where the real fun begins. So, traditionally, they would use a cheese called cotija. Now, I'm using parmesan cheese. So what you do, you're gonna sprinkle this all over the sweet corn. So just get a really nice, generous helping. And the sweet chili sauce is gonna help that cheese stick to the sweet corn. Now these look bloody good already, but my next ingredient is not classic in the slightest. So here, I've got a packet of flaming hot Cheetos, which I've just blitzed up to a crumb. Now these are gonna add just an extra dimension to this. So all you do, grab a nice little handful and just sprinkle over. So we are nearly there. Now we have some sour cream. So I've just got this to a nice squeezy bottle and just get that over the top. And then finally, just to finish off, really nice, good handful, fresh coriander, just over there. We need a good squeeze of lime, so just get yourself some little lime cheeks and just squeeze some of that over the top. Bring that to the table along with some more cheeks of lime, and there you have, ladies and gentlemen, my Mexican street corn with a Cheeto twist. Now if you like this video recipe, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn the notifications on so you don't miss any future videos. And while you're at it, why not chuck me a like and a comment as well. And I'll see you guys next week for some more proper food.